Let's go! Ow, ow, ow. How do we do that? Woo! Where's the mountain? Oh, that's rough. Woo! Welcome to the East Coast. I am standing in the middle of a half pipe, and you can't even tell. And you give me that? Oh. Come on, dude! Day 2, week 1, summer camp. Here we go. We're back here. We're getting ready. Everyone is vibing it out. It's a different vibe today. It's a little slower. Like the whole mountain is just quiet. And it's sick though, because we got the sun's out. Good weather. We put sunblock on today. We forgot yesterday, and we all look like the Joker out here. So we did video breakdown yesterday, and we've experienced the mountain, so we now know what to work on. Everyone's got their things, their quirks, the things that we're gonna focus on today, and I'll do my best to explain to you. But at the end of the day, this is gonna be a fun video. So subscribe, and let's go.
Good morning, guys.
All right, guys, so it's early in the morning. The snow's a little on the firm side. Also, we killed it yesterday, so our bodies are a little sore. So the team, we're gonna warm up a little bit. We're gonna do a couple of runs. Let's get the body woken back up. There's no need to go right into the park and send it. There's no need to do anything crazy these first couple runs. So let's just get some cruisers. So because this is a big old cloud right there, we'll wait for that to blow through before going in the park. So we're gonna go to the top, which opened today. And so you guys get to ride through the iconic like chairlift tunnel thing of coolness.
Yes.
Excited?
Yes, I am.
Let's go! Crush that box.
That's pretty smooth.
All right, I think we're starting to feel warmed up. The snow is starting to get a little soft. The park is looking good. They finally put a lip on that box, so I think a lot of progression is gonna happen today. A lot of the things that we learned last night is when people are on features, they're having open shoulders, things like that. We're gonna work on closing the shoulders, being in a stacked position. A lot of fun, kind of just nerd type stuff with snowboarding, but it's so important to kind of have that true understanding of where your body should be while snowboarding. Now, it is one of those days where the mountain is just gonna disappear on us. But that's okay, because that's kind of how yesterday was, and it worked out great. And so we're gonna have a good time, and we might see a Tindy today. It could happen. I don't know.
I don't know what a Tindy is. Can you explain?
I am standing in the middle of a half pipe, and you can't even tell. I'm gonna take a pass on the jump.
Yeah, I think I might skip it right now.
All right, so sometimes you gotta deal with the cards you've been dealt. So it's like a good misty gnarliness coming in. The lower section is getting softer, but like visibility is kind of bad to be doing runs and setting things like that. That being said, the box, we can see it totally fine. So instead of doing chairlift runs, we're just gonna hike this box. Let's get a bunch of repetition in on the box, get some tricks on the box, and we're gonna have a sick time. So we're just gonna hit this box.
I'm like, how do I hit this thing?
Who brought this guy?
I'll film if you want to hike.
Yeah, right here. Then we're gonna counter rotate, which we didn't have practice on the run. Like face that, slow. Bend your knees. Yeah, let's go! Woo! Let's go! Ow, ow, ow! How do we do that?
Bend the knees. Oh. You alright?
Yeah. Alvin's crushing it. We're getting Drew to just like stick to a trick. Cody's first trying everything, and we're just having a blast. So Cody's experiencing some beginner luck. He got it first tee, and now he's trying to battle for it. But there's like a rumor that you gotta do the trick 3 times before you can claim it. So come on, Cody, get it. You okay? Oh. Guys, the crew is killing the box. Killing it so hard that it reminds me of today's sticker shout out. We got Jack Giannis with the gold sticker on the helmet. Looking insane, bro. Thank you so much for snagging the sticker, supporting the channel. As well as we got Mandy White with the white sticker on the helmet, also looking insane and sick. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker, they come with guaranteed compliments. They're all linked in the description. And if you do snag any of the merch, like the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, not only does it support the channel, but I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs if you tag me on my Instagram. And then follow the Instagram for all the bonus extra camp stuff we're doing. We're like doing a ton of activities after camp, like going to Trillium Lake, wax clinics, like video breakdown. You want to see that extra bonus stuff, then go follow the Instagram. But yeah, guys, snagging the merch supports the channel, so thank you so much for all that support. And enough talking, we gotta get back to these guys. Let's crush in this box. All right, that was the hardest box section of their lives. We crushed it. We made a lot of progression. We'll probably do that every day going forward. And now, we kind of cleared up a bit. Snow got a little softer. We're gonna work on some carves, like not back foot ruddering, and like we're gonna try to carve this snowboard. So here we go. Our turn, or are we carving? Let's try and get as many edge to edge. Getting the crew to work on their upper body, lower body separation, but also do that cool little like toe side slash thing that we like to do. Yeah, let's get the dock. Woo! The ski dock rips. Oh, that's a rock. Cody did it right on a rock. Woo. right, guys, it's lunchtime. We're gonna get some snacks, then we get right back into this. Crew's crushing it today, and vibes are all at all-time high, even with the clouds out. So, yeah, we gotta reapply sunblock again because we all got sunburnt yesterday. Sunblock.
Wait. Need to stretch.
All right, guys, we're wrapping up lunch. We're about to head up, and there's a section with a groom, and they made a bunch of like balls of snow, whatever. And these guys want to hit like a side hit, but there's just no side hits on the mountain right now. So we're gonna go make our own side hit. We'll probably hike it, and just let everyone send like a mellow like 4 or 5 foot jump. Work on 180s, grabs, 360s, double backflips, whatever we want.
Yes, sir.
Yep. We good? Everyone stoked?
Let's go. Let's go.
It's almost nap time. 2 more hours, then it's nap time. All right, guys, so we're headed over to the chunks of snow. And so once again, we want a side hit, but there isn't one available. So we can make one ourselves. We'd have to pile up a bunch of snow, or we just come to a pile of a bunch of snow and shape it into a jump. Oh, we got a shovel this year. Let's go. It's not the prettiest jump we've ever made, but it's a jump. It's a better side hit than we had. We got one little ball on our way, and then we're good to go. We're ready to send this right now.
Backlash written on me, car popping on a dashboard. I've been balling, 3 more ladies in the counting down. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, cold running from the pole, and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going down. I don't wanna know it. Might as well be going down. I don't wanna know it.
We're going up.
Hey guys, sometimes when the resort doesn't give you a small jump, you make your own. Right, boys? Let's go.
The final hour before we let it go down. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest. Story. We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go down. It's such a heartbeat.
Don't trust the snow chunks, dude. They're brutal. You okay?
Yeah, my body's like shutting down.
Oh no, you want to come chill?
On me, car popping on the dashboard. I've been balling, 3 more ladies in the counting down. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. I'ma set it right. Backlash written on me, car popping on the dashboard. I've been balling, 3 more ladies in the counting down. I'm already out.
Dude, you see my 5? No, I'm joking. These guys are killing it, dude. Chris threw a 3 out of nowhere. Cody's getting his back 3 back because Cody was throwing back 5s at the last camp. And dude, absolutely crushing it. Jeremy throwing 3s too. Like, what's going on? I did not think we'd build this tiny little kicker and people would pop off. So here we go. We could have a jump day tomorrow. So this is practice for tomorrow. All right, guys, we're champs. We didn't know that Chris was verified on Instagram. Nah, we didn't know he had a 360 in him. That was sick. Alan killing the jump. Jeremy just needs to land. He doesn't want it, but dude, you're crushing it. And we're gonna go home. We're gonna break down these clips, and I'm gonna be able to show all these guys what was going on. Like, it's a lot of chaoticness out here, and I'm like, do this, do that. They're like, what? But when we get back to the crib, we can slow it down and break it down, and it's so sick. And then it's Tuesday, So Taco Tuesday tonight?
Oh,
Man. So what I'm basically saying, this is Chipmunk, and the hike days are sick for the people throwing the tricks and everything like that, but it is one of the worst days for the filmers. So shout out to the ski doc for not only coming out this whole trip to film, but that dude stood next to a lot of features for us today. And so we're gonna give him this last section and let the ski doc rip. So I'm not 100% sure on what activity we're gonna get into at the cribbo, but once again, we're just gonna do that cool thing where we like kind of tell, you know. All right, we're at the house and I kind of forgot to pull the camera out, but we're doing video breakdown right now. Chris is doing Snoga. Jeremy made tacos. How were they?
Awesome.
They were good? Approved?
Yeah, I chopped the tomatoes.
Yeah, you got the tomatoes.
He did chop the tomatoes.
But yeah, we're taking a little mellow this afternoon. We didn't go do an activity because it was still kind of like stormy, kind of overcast, everything like that. Tomorrow we should have a sunny afternoon. We're gonna go check out Trillium Lake. That's gonna be sick. So subscribe so you can see Trillium Lake tomorrow. But we're gonna jump into this video breakdown. We're gonna start covering some tricks for the crew. This is the bread and butter of camp. This is really why you come to snowboard camp, is to slow it down, check it out. So get on that plant leg more. It's gonna give you a platform to pop off of.
Right.
But also, it's not, your arms aren't terrible, but you're going for the 270, and what does your head do?
It doesn't turn.
It never turns. You're supposed to counter rotate on the box. You give me this. You get off, and you give me that?
Oh.
Come on, dude! Why can't you do that on the box? Come on! You can do it!
Okay, alright.
You can do it! I see it! It's proven!
Yeah.
You did it!
Okay.
You just did it 5 feet too late! That's a broken thumb. You know? Watch your arm jam into your body. That's a broken, busted shoulder. That's a broken elbow. That's a broken
So what do I
forearm.
what do I need to?
Alright guys, I want to end the video before the sun comes down because we will be doing video breakdown for a decent amount of time tonight, but we also got nothing else to do other than edit a vlog. So we'll break down a bunch of the clips. We're still on the box section of the day and we actually did a lot more. We hit the 6 side hit. You guys watched the video. What am I trying to tell? Why am I telling you this stuff? Anyways, thanks for watching so much of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Smash the like button if you did. Tell me who's your favorite camper. Comment down below. Not joking. But with that, Timo guys, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. I don't got one on me. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no. Cliff